Hi, I'm Kim Jamieson-Hirst of Chatterbox Quilts, and today I want to show you how to get a 9mm wide zigzag stitch on the Janome CM17. Now I want to thank Janome Canada for providing me with this machine so I can share this information with you today. Now the first thing you need to know is that you need to have the regular or zigzag needle plate installed, okay? For any type of stitch other than a straight stitch, you need to have this installed, right? Now there are different ways of choosing zigzag stitches on the machine. One in the utility stitch area is a bit limited as far as the width, but I want to show you how to get that 9mm width. So let's take a look at the screen and see where you can go to get the widest zigzag stitch you can on this machine. So how do we get that 9mm zigzag stitch? Well, you go back to the beginning and you choose the sewing application mode. You're going to choose the quilt mode now, and you're going to go into applique. And you're going to see that there are two choices here. Again, zigzag stitch 1 starts in the middle and goes back and forth, and zigzag stitch 2 starts at the right and goes back and forth. In order to get the 9mm width, we are going to go into zigzag stitch 1, and we're going to increase our width. And you can see that we can now get a 9mm zigzag stitch by using the zigzag stitch 1. I've shown you how to get a zigzag stitch on the Janome CM17. You might be wondering, how can I use some of the decorative stitches on this machine? Well, don't worry, I got you covered. Check out this video that has all the information that you need. And for more helpful quilting information, be sure to go to my website at www.chatterboxquilts.com.